Super hot, guys.
Peppa and George are very excited today. They are going on holiday.
Oh, where's Daddy?
He's bringing.
Thank you for all gifts, guys. Thank you so much.
What's that?
It's a camper van.
We borrowed it for our holiday.
This camper van has everything. This button works the same.
Da-da-na. Da-da-la-la-la-la.
This button works the TV.
What does this button do?
I'm
Hello.
not sure. Maybe don't press it until we know.
Is everybody ready to go on holiday?
Yes, Mummy Pig!
Then let's go!
Hello, Nang. Nang? Ano ba, tita ko, Nang? Yes, bagyo dyan. Dito hindi.
Tricky.
Daddy, we don't want to get lost.
Don't worry, Peppa. I'm an expert at map
Di
reading.
ba, lata, nagpaypay na ako ito ng dami.
That's strange.
Are we
Sorry nga
lost?
naman.
Yes.
Hello sa bagong
It's
dating.
Grandad Dog with Danny Dog.
Hello, Peppa. Hello, Daddy.
One star ko yan.
Lost?
Donate na lang kayo ng electric pan dito. Init kasi.
You're driving a camper van.
Sorry nga naman. Thank you, Ignacio.
Standard.
Welcome to the car of the future.
Init, guys.
So
Grabe.
that's what that button
Bagyong uwan pero wala naman dito
Are we going
ulan.
today?
The camper van is talking.
Ibigay.
computer voice helps you find your way.
But how does it
Thank you, Ignacio.
You tell it.
hello, Mrs. Camper Van.
Hello.
We're going on holiday. Can you tell us the way?
Proceed on the current road.
Super hot and anything.
Thanks for your help, Grandad Dog.
You're welcome. Have a lovely holiday.
We're going on holiday in a camper van.
Danger, danger. Oil is low.
Thank you.
Oil helps engines to run smooth. No, these
Hi,
oils
Hollywood.
always give you plenty of time.
Hollywood. Oh, diba ngayon?
Oh dear.
So
Luckily,
hot,
I've got a
guys.
spare can of oil.
Well done, Daddy Pig.
She
We
got
simply
around
pour the
me.
oil into the
That's
engine.
why I love her.
What's wrong?
There's nothing in here. The engine's gone.
Wait, guys.
It's Mummy Sheep with Susie Sheep.
Hello, Susie. Hello, Peppa. We've lost
Huwag ko muna.
our engine.
Lost your engine?
Yes.
Sa salita. Minsan gusto kong magsumbong sa'yo. Kapapagod na ako. Tama pa ba ang ihip ng yakap mo? Yung pagdinig kapag magulo na ang mundo. Hello. So hot nga.